Hey guys, so today we'll be learning how to add 3D elements in your Framer design. So first thing you want to do is to go to your web and you search for Spline. So after searching for Spline, you go towards the community, you hover on it and you go to the Spline community. Alright, so when you get to the Spline community, you look for the kind of 3D elements you want to add to your design. So for now, I will go with I'll go with this and I'll click on it. After clicking on it, you can see it will load a new page where it will show the elements and the kind of animation it makes. So I will go down to the chips and I'll click on remix. Alright, so after clicking on remix, you can actually edit it anyhow you want it to animate, or I won't do that. I will just go straight to exporting it. So I'll click on export and I'll go down to viewer and I'm going to copy the code. Then I'll go back to my Framer project and I'll go to the insert tab and I'll bring in embed, or you can just search for it here from on the top. I'll bring it into my design. I'll position it how I want it to be, and I'll go to the properties panel towards the right. I'll scroll down and I'll switch to HTML and I'll paste my code there, and it's going to load for a while, then it's going to show. You can preview. Let me preview and see. I guess it's still loading. Either it's still loading or it's at the back. So let me see. Let me go to the desktop. Alright, I need to bring it out to the top. As you can see it over here, and I'll still bring it out again. Let me bring it out to yeah, and I can for now I'll just make this absolute and move it towards the right. You can see that I'm having this black background. So what you want to do to change this black background, actually, you go back to the spline tool and you go to the colors and you set the opacity to 0. Alright, so you click on export once again, you copy the code and you go back to your framer and you replace it. Or let me delete this. Let me bring in a new embed. And let me paste the new code. I still have the black background, unfortunately. Oh wow. Let me check what's wrong. All right, let me see. Let me refresh this. And let me export. I will delete this once again. I'll bring in a new one. HTML, and we have our design. Exactly. So you can see we have this 3D element, so you can actually make it bigger if you want. So if I was to preview this now, you can see that I have my 3D element by the side. Let me preview this on the full screen. So this is how you add 3D elements on Figma, on Figma, sorry. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.